Greetings to all my friends. My name is Yogesh Narware. I am 2019 pass out from SATI Vidisha. Currently, I am a Tech Cluster student, and I would like to thank all my team, Tech Cluster, sir, ma'am, and everyone who taught me. When I was pass out, I was keen to learn about design engineering, but there were very lack of opportunities. So I was little bit confused that which coaching I will prefer, and then I went to 2-3 coachings, and by Google review I selected a coaching named Tech Cluster, and that was my wonderful day. I came here. First I was quite uncertain that how I am going to learn, and what are the softwares, how they will taught me. Then I am now Tech Cluster student, completed my Autocad Solidworks, currently Creo is running, and after that I am going to learn Ansys also. So my AutoCAD classes were very wonderful. Ma'am taught me from basic to advanced, and the live projects we are working on, that gave me very much confident that now I can go for any job with my confidence. And after that the Solidworks was also fine class. Vaishali ma'am taught me very nice, and the concept clearation was very good. And now I am going for live projects also. I am working in live projects, and once sir provided me placement opportunity also, and I would like to thank Dharmen sir for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Now I am placed in Vayu Home Appliances as a design engineer, and I would like to thank all the team of Tech Cluster, and it is a very wonderful opportunity for me to be a part of Tech Cluster. Thank you very much.